Today we're going to be installing the electrical connection running light that turns your third brake light, the Honda accessory on the Goldwing. It turns it from just being a brake light to turning it into being a running light. So in order to do this, we'll have to remove 2 bolts from the passenger grab rails. I already have my seat removed because I'm getting it customized by Russell Daylong Seats. So I figured this is a great opportunity to add some of these accessories. Be careful not to drop the washer into the motorcycle. It's kind of a bear to get out. Remove both bolts from the passenger grab rail and set the passenger grab rail and the bolts aside. There's a rubber grommet that has the coupler that you plugged into the third brake light when it was originally mounted. Pull this out, and essentially the new electrical connection coupler will plug in between the two. So after you get the cable installed, you're going to run the ground cable around and underneath the seat, keeping it below the seat, and then kind of run it along next to the wiring harnesses that are already there, and you're going to run it to the accessory terminal on the fuse box. When you have the seat removed, this is a super easy install. So if you've got the Honda line brake light and you want some more visibility from the back end, I recommend this highly. If you like these videos, click the subscribe button and click on the bell. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on MC Tour Ohio. Check out some of our other videos and check us out on Facebook and Instagram.